installing on Windows 11. Fix KB5083631 not installing step by step. 1. Restart basic retry. Restart your PC. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for updates again. 2. Reset Windows Update cache most effective. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC after this. Now star 3. Repair corrupted system files. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then you can see the code in our conversation history. Wait for both to complete. Don't skip. And 4. Install KB5083631 manually. Very reliable. 1. Open browser. 2. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. 3. Search KB5083631. 4. Download version for your system, usually x64. 5. Install it manually. 5. Disable antivirus temporary. Turn off third-party antivirus. Try installing update again. 6. Check disk space. Make sure you have at least 20 gigabytes free. Run disk cleanup if needed. 7. Use Windows Installation Assistant, last fix. If update still fails, download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Upgrade your system, keeps files safe. Common reasons this happens: corrupted update files, broken Windows components, background services stuck, low disk space. Pro tip: in most cases, Step 2, reset update cache, plus Step 3, DSM repair, fixes it instantly.